This, for me, saves me 6 months worth of work, boots on the ground, trying to go to different companies and make connections that way, and having someone centralize the process, put some things together, that's really useful.
I think events like this are amazing. I love the energy of the workforce development community in southeastern Louisiana region. There's a good combination for me of people that I had already known and meeting some new people, so events like this are always the highlight for me. I would definitely do it again.
I talk to different companies, potential companies that I could work with once I graduate.
Being able to come out and just see and hear so many different things about new possibilities that you can work towards in the future.
I had a lot of fun. We met a lot of hardworking people, a lot of people who were really interested in what we had to offer, and it was a really fun day.
This is truly what the community needs. We need to partner with our local workforce boards, partner with employees, partner with employers. And that's why it's so crucial. So any event that you all have, we are proud partners in this endeavor.